Good morning, students. Welcome to Cosmonaut International School. Today we will discuss about 5th class social science lectures. So, our today new chapter, that is the chapter number 2, parallels and meridians. We will completed our chapter number 1st in the previous lectures. So, today we will discuss about chapter number 17, that is the parallel and meridians. So we know that a globe is a small model of earth. When we look at the globe, we see several countries, places marked on it. To find any place on a globe or a map, we use a system of imaginary lines which run from east to west and north to south on them. So this is a picture of globe. It is a globe. So we know that we look several countries on globes. हमें ग्लोब्स पे बहुत सारी कंट्रीज शो होती हैं, जैसे ये यहाँ पे रही, ये यहाँ पे रही. These are our countries. Now we will put imaginary line which run from east to west and north to south on these globes. So these imaginary lines are known as latitudes and longitudes. So this is the definition of latitude and longitudes. You have to write definition from latitude and longitude. I will tell you from where to where you have to write definition of this. You have to write definition of this from here to here. The point on which north were they joined to called North Pole, and the point on the south where they join is called South Poles. So जहाँ पे हमारी ये लाइंस मीट करती है नॉर्थ साइड में, उसको हम नॉर्थ पोल बोलेंगे, और जहाँ पे साउथ साइड में ये मीट करती है तो उनको क्या बोलेंगे, साउथ पोल बोलेंगे. सो दिस इज आवर नॉर्थ पोल एंड दिस इज आवर South Pole. This is our North Pole. This is our North Pole, and this is our South Pole. So these are the North and South poles. So now, when we look at globe, we see only one side of it. To see the other side, we have to rotate it. So we also know that here we see one side of this globe. So when we want to the back side of this globe, so we have to rotate these globes. The globe rotate on a road that passes through it is called its axis. So this is, I will show you where is the axis. This is the axis of globe, and globe will rotate about this axis. This is not straight, it is tilt at an angle of 23.5 degree. So this is the 23 complete half degree. So this line is not a straight line. We also see that this line is not a straight line. So this axis is tilt at an angle of 23 complete half degree Celsius. Now what are the parallel of latitudes? An imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and South Pole is called equators. So this line we will call an equators. Now the part of the earth which lie on the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere, and the part on which lies toward the south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. So this is our northern hemisphere, and this is our southern hemisphere. The imaginary line draw parallel to the equator is known as parallel latitude. So this is our equator, and the imaginary line that we will draw parallel to these equators, we will call it latitude. We will quote these line as a latitude. Now there are 181 181 parallels or lines of latitude. The equator is the most important of all and also called great circle. So this is the equator. This equator, that equator we will call a great circle. That equator we will call a great circle. So this is the line of the equator. I will draw here. So this we will call as a great circle. All parallel are full circles, or parallels are full circle. So these parallel are make full circle around this globe except the north pole and south pole. हमें सिर्फ साउथ पोल, here this is the south pole and here this is the north pole. So this north pole and south pole will work as a point, and except these two poles, all the parallel and line of latitude will make complete circle, Now we look, the north pole is marked as 90 degree N and the south pole is marked at 90 degree X. So this is the important parallels of the latitudes. So this is the 90 degree south pole, this is the 90 degree north poles. There are some important parallels, these are the, so we have to given some important parallels. So what are these parallels? We have to see these parallels. Now first of all we have to give an equator. This is the line of equator. This is the line of equator. This is the line of equator. So equator is at 0 degree north south. Now Tropic of Cancer. So this line is the Tropic of Cancer. This line is the Tropic of Cancer. It is at an angle of 23 degree complete and half degree north. Now what is Tropic of Capricorn? What is the Tropic of Capricorn? So this is the Tropic of Capricorn. It is also 23 degree complete and half degree south. Tropic of Cancer is 23 degree and half degree of north, and Tropic of Capricorn is 23 degree half of 23 complete and half of degree of south. Now what are the Arctic circles? That is, it is lies at the north side 66 degree and half degree. 66 and half degree. This is called the Arctic circle. Now Antarctic circles. So here this is the Antarctic circle at the south side, that is the 66 complete and half degree south. So these are the important parallels of latitudes. So today we will discuss about parallels of latitude, what is globes. We will also see the North Pole and South Pole. So you have to write all these things on your notebook and learn about all these things. So this is your today's homework, and this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.